So there's some spots where I hunt that I remember every log, not every log, some of the logs. Some of the little pockets and nuggets and little areas where I found mushrooms in the past. And I mark those waypoints, but they always tend to show up around the same area. So I'm in this nice little slope here. It's a northeast facing slope, so you'd think it wouldn't be warm enough, but I'm starting to see some calypso orchids. I see a couple of morels. Check these ones out. A couple of more dirty blondes. That's my new favorite phrase. Dirty blondes, I guess. Welcome to the first episode of 2024 for DADventurer Northwest. I'm Cosmo. Thanks for joining me today. We're out on the east side of Mount Hood this weekend, camping. We're scouting for morels. We're hunting for turkeys. We're gonna have an awesome time. The ground has just started to warm up. We've seen some signs that the morels are gonna be here, so hopefully we're gonna get into them. So stay tuned. Let's go get them. Ah, it feels so good to be out here in the forest. I'm all camoed up, but right now we're just scouting for morels. We're scouting for some turkeys that might be roosting in some of these big ponderosas. But man, it's beautiful. It's 57 degrees out here, and it's third week of April. But it's just fantastic out here. This is a spot that I have found a ton of blonde morels 2 years ago, and it was late in May, but I have a feeling they might be popping. So let's take a look. And there's tons of grand firs here, ponderosa pine. If you look around, look at how it's kind of flat. And I found this spot a couple of years ago, and I typically wouldn't hunt this kind of stuff. I'd say, oh, it's too open, it's too flat. Morels like to grow on hills. Until I saw a couple of guys coming out of this spot with bags of morels. I thought, okay, I've been wrong before, but let's get to it. Now what we're looking for, we're gonna be quiet, because if I see any turkeys popping around, or if I hear them clucking or cackling or whatever, we want to see where they're gonna roost tonight so we can go get them tomorrow. But if a big old Tom opens to pop his head out while we're walking, we're gonna show him the convincer. So let's get to it. Haven't found any morels yet, but look at these little guys here popping. These little mushrooms here. That's probably a good indicator that the ground is getting to 40 degrees. That's what we need for morels. So far I don't see any, but there's lots of other indicator species that are popping up, which is a good sign. So let's keep going. Let's go get them. I got out of the car. Check out this area here. Look at how awesome it is. I get out of the car. You can see my car right over there. Look what I see. Check it out. The first morel of the season. How fantastic is that? Oh, yes! I didn't even bring my bag. We might have to go back and get the bag. So check this out. See these areas here? These are all turkey scratches. So there's some active turkeys in the area. But when I got down to check it out, I see something over there. Something that I don't know. Look at this morel. Hello, sir. How awesome is that morel? I don't think I've ever seen one like that before. Look at the color. That is fantastic. I bet you. I'm gonna leave my camera cover here, because look, I see some more over here. Look, look. There's a 3-pack right there. Oh, there's another one right there. Holy crap! Holy crap! Jackpot time! Huh. This is an interesting spot. We got grand firs here. We got some long needle pines, and there's some oak in here too. Let's see some more. I came over here to look at this double here, and I saw another double. Nope, a triple, quadruple. Man, I'm so glad I did not go back to camp. I said, hey, let's go check out this one spot just in case. Jackpot. Oh my goodness. This, hold on. Gotta watch where I'm going. Let's look at this. Another one right here. They're everywhere. Oh, by the way, how you like my new cool little bag? Not cool? Saw something right there, but it looks like it's a leaf. Nope, it is a morel. Look, growing out of the wood. That's pretty good. Let's see what else we got here. Maybe some more in here. Man, you can see how the... Look, there's 2 more right there. But see how the ground is uneven like this? This is what I like to see, because those little indentations tend to trap a lot of moisture. And in those little grooves, these... You see the strawberries growing, the trillium, and the calypso orchids too. And I see 2 more. Man, what a day for the first day. I think I found more morels today than I have all last season. So that's a good sign. Let's go check these out. Look, we got 2 here. Look at those guys. Look, 2 more. 2 more right here. Oh, a 3rd one. Dang. We will take them. Look at that. 4, 5 beauties right there. Oh man. Dinner can wait. What time is it? It's almost 7 o'clock. We're out here late enough that we might hear some turkeys going to roost. That's kind of why I was out here this late, but I'll just keep picking morels. The dirty blondes. That's a good one. That one's gonna stick. Okay, let's keep looking. I'm just kind of circling this same area and just making my circle a little wider every time I go around. And walking slow with a purpose. Well, we've been out here for maybe an hour, hour and a half, and the sun's starting to go down. I want to get back to camp, finish getting set up, make a little dinner before it gets dark. I didn't bring any of my headlamps or anything with me out here. The car's down that way a couple hundred yards, but I couldn't be happier right now. This is pretty awesome. First day out, I saw that one, the first morel. I thought, hey, we got 1 morel. And now I got about, I don't know, 20 or 30 of them. So that's pretty awesome. So we're gonna pack it in. We're gonna head back to camp. I'm probably gonna come back here tomorrow morning and hunt a little more and see what we can find. But now that we know the elevation that they're popping, this is kind of a east-facing slope. That's what we're gonna be looking for the rest of the weekend. So keep that in mind. If you find the right elevation you find the mushrooms, keep looking in that elevation. If you don't, go up or down a couple hundred feet, and you've been successful. So let's go get some dinner. It's day 2. We're out here scouting for turkeys and morels. Back in the same spot we found them yesterday. But right now, looking for any kind of signs of scratching for some birds we can come up and get set up for tonight. But right now I think we're right around 2,500 feet. And it's just beautiful out here. Haven't seen any morels yet, but we're just walking around right now. And hopefully we're going to get stuff, so we're going to be quiet. And there's lots of turkey sign around here. So I'm kind of in dual mode. I'm looking for turkeys. I'm looking for any signs of morels and scratching. And good thing they both typically appear in the same places. So it's going to be an awesome day. Let's go get them. So I just got back to the spot they were hunting yesterday. And I found a couple of morels. Check these guys out right here. Look at these guys here. 2 little ones and a decent one. But I'm betting there's more around here. But this is a good sign that there's more popping as the ground continues to warm up. So we're going to keep going. I got my buddy Mark over there. He's scouting with me too. Like I said, we're looking for turkeys, but let's just be a little bonus. So I got to figure out a place to put these guys. So let's get them and keep going. So I moved down this ridge a little bit. Found a few more morels and forgot my mushroom bag. So got my beanie and I found a really nice chunky one. Look at this guy. What a beast. But moving down, I moved down maybe 50 to 60 feet in elevation. And I found another morel, but it's one of these brown ones. Look at that guy. We're going to take him. Not bad. Look how beautiful he is. Perfect. No turkeys yet. The morels are looking good. The morels have been pretty consistent in elevation. He dropped down 100 feet from where we were before. The morels transitioned from the blonde morels to the brown ones. I don't know the scientific names for those. I don't have time for that. But looks like I got a little low on the hill, so now I'm heading back up and around the ridge towards the car, but we're going to take a different path because I'm sure I walked by a ton of them already. So we're going to go a little slower and just scan and see what we can find. But so far there's a little bit of drizzle going on right now, and my rain gear is in the truck, so we're going to head that way. And I think there might be some more rain coming, so hopefully get back there without any issues and get a few more morels in my little bag over here. But otherwise, pretty awesome. I mean, even if you don't find any turkeys, I'll take morels over turkeys any day. I mean, who really likes eating turkey anyway? Okay, so remember when I said to keep an eye out for the strawberries when they get to about the size of a quarter? So check this out. These are the strawberries. They're about the size of a quarter. I came down to check this out. They've got this nice northeast facing slope. And out of the corner of my eye, check it out. You see it right over there? Check this out. There are 5 morels in there. I'm probably going to take the 3 larger ones and leave the smaller 2 to grow. But this is an area I hunted in the past. I thought maybe it would be a little early, but it's fairly open. It's got a good slope to it. Morels are here. If you do nothing when you start mushroom hunting or morel hunting, any mushrooms, like start keeping a journal of when you find mushrooms, where you find them, elevations. So for me, I know where I like to go for the early season morels, mid-season, late season, and then when the porcinis are starting to come, I keep those on my GPS tracker. I use Onyx, and it's awesome. I just love it, and it's like this living journal for me that I can share those waypoints with my friends and as well. But man, I'm so glad that we found some more, because it's been a little dry this morning, and it's only 1 o'clock. So when I went to pick those mushrooms, I did what I normally do: squat down, take a look, check it out. There's more. Look at these guys. We got 3 here. We got 1 little baby up there. I bet there's some more in this hill. If we start to take a look around, maybe not, but once you get in the mushrooms, you gotta pause, slow down, be deliberate, make sure you're really focusing in on what you're doing, because otherwise you're gonna miss them. These are gonna be delicious. So, good morning. It's day 2. We're out turkey hunting. It's early in the morning. We didn't find any shreed birds, but we're in a nice little clearing here, trying to call in a couple. Mark's out there calling, and I'm just sitting here up against a tree, hiding, trying not to be noticed and quiet. But beautiful morning out here. It's still calm. I'm hoping that we're going to see some gobblers today, because I'd really like to blast one. So once we're done, we're going to maybe do a little morel hunting. But overall, it's been an awesome weekend. So hopefully we're going to see something really cool before we go. Here we go. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this first episode of 2024. This was an awesome weekend for me. We found morels. We saw turkeys. I had a great camping experience, and it's been a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please support us and subscribe, and tell your friends. And I look forward to you joining me in the next adventure. Thanks.